everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix DStv decoder keeps rebooting, power, signal, and factory reset troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check the power cable. Turn off the decoder and unplug it from the power outlet. Now check that the power cable is firmly connected. Look for any damage to the cable or power adapter. Then plug the decoder directly into a wall socket and turn it on. Fix 2. Remove external devices. Disconnect USB drives, external hard drives, or other accessories. Then restart the decoder and check if the rebooting stops. Fix 3. Power cycle the decoder. Switch off the decoder and unplug it from the power source. Now wait for around 2 to 5 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Fix 4. Improve ventilation. Turn off the decoder and make sure the ventilation holes are not blocked. Now move the decoder to a cool, open area and turn it back on and monitor for overheating. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.